Hi there, this is just a quick video which will talk you through how to join a Skype for Business meeting using the web browser. So that's not having to use the Skype for Business app, it's just through the web browser. So the first thing that you will do is insert the link you've been sent into the top bar of your browser. Doesn't matter which browser you're using, it could be Safari or Chrome, but either will work. So the link is here, you can either type that in or just, it might be easier to copy and paste it. Just be aware that it is case sensitive, so if there are capital letters, make sure that you've capitalised them or it might not take you to the right place. The next thing that will happen is it will take you to this page. So the first thing that comes up there, as I mentioned, this is a tutorial for just joining the Skype for Business in your web browser. If you have the Skype for Business app, then you could press open Skype meetings app, but if you don't have the app, are just going to press cancel. The next thing that will happen is this screen will come up, and where the big red arrow is pointing is what you want to press. So install and join with Skype meetings app, and then in brackets there web. So just press that, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds. It will automatically start to install for you. As it says there, if it doesn't start to automatically install, you can press here, but give it 10 seconds or so and it should do that. The next thing that will happen is you'll see a small install message come up. That's fine, just let it do its thing. It will take a couple of seconds, not too long at all. Then automatically this will come up on your screen. It's a welcome page, so you just insert your name, or if you prefer your initials, and press join, and that will take you straight to the Skype meeting. So with all of the video communications, it'll take a couple of minutes to connect you. So when this screen comes up, you don't need to press anything. If you just wait, then this screen will come up. So this is what the call should look like on your browser. It might look slightly different depending on what browser you use, but it'll look roughly like this. And I'll just talk you through a couple of different things on the page. If you can make sure your video is not on. Now, it won't come on automatically, so just don't press the video button unless you notice for some reason it has come on, and then just press it off. But just the best way for us to have this meeting is for only the presenters to have their videos on, because it uses quite a lot of bandwidth for everyone to have their videos on. So if we can have all videos off, and you'll notice as well beside that you'll automatically be brought in with your microphone off, and if you could just keep that muted for the duration of the meeting, just because that allows the presenters to speak. If you have any questions at all during it, you'll see on the bottom left hand corner of the page there's a little communication conversations button. If you click that, then it'll open a conversation bar, and we will be monitoring this throughout the meeting. So if you have any questions at all, then you can type that message in, and that message will be able to be viewed by everyone in the conversation, so just so you're aware of that. If you've got any questions at all, you can type it into that box. And the last thing to say about the duration of the meeting is that we will be sharing our screens and sharing videos, so if you can make sure that you're on speaker view, because that will let you see the person who is speaking. So if you just press that button up in the corner that the big red arrow is pointing to, and if you click speaker view, that'll let you see the person who's speaking, and it'll let you see shared screens. If you have it on gallery view, you'll just see lots of little boxes, so it's obviously more beneficial for you to see the one person who's speaking. And last of all, when you get to the end of the call, you just press that hang up button. It's the same as the ones on most phones, and that will be the end of the meeting.